Hello students, this particular question has been asked in Mathematics, GATE 2017, Electronics and Communication Session 2. Okay, find the rank of a 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, we have to give the value, it's a numerical entry problem. Now generally, when you are asked about the rank of a particular matrix, okay, we will try to convert into a row echelon form. Now, if you try to convert into a row echelon form, first of all, we can just arrange and get the row echelon form. In this particular problem, if you observe, we can just arrange it and get the row echelon form of some sort. Okay, what I'm trying to do is that I'm going to keep my row as it is, the first row as it is. Now I'm going to bring my third row to the second row. So it's going to be 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. Next I'm going to bring second row to the third row. It's going to be 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, then I'm going to bring the last row to the fourth row. It's going to become 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. And then this particular row to the last, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so if you observe, till here it is of a row echelon form. Now from here onwards we have to do it, because here this particular thing has to be something like 0, 0, 0, 0, and then it's going to be equal to that of some value. First thing what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to apply the row transformation between that of R5 becomes that of R5 plus R1. When R5 becomes R5 plus R1, then what is the result? R5 becomes R5 plus R1, then it is going to be 0 here. Or I can do one more thing. I can just add all the other rows, R2, R3, R4. Okay, because you have 1 and minus 1 only. If you do that, then what are we going to get? Here it is a minus 1, 0, right? To the value of R5, if you add all the other rows, then what is going to happen? 1 minus 1, 0. Now to 0, you are adding all these values. It becomes once again 0. To 0, you are adding these values. It is 0 here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus all these values. This is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0 once again. To 1, you are adding minus 1. So the total row becomes equal to 0. When you apply this particular row transformation, the total row is going to become equal to 0. So the answer for this particular thing is because if you don't have this, then this is not a row echelon form. Okay, a row echelon form is simply nothing but you're going to have zeros which are going to increase. Okay, now if you observe here, the last row becomes completely 0. Now it means that it is a 0 row. Rank is nothing but a number of non-zero rows that you're going to have in a particular matrix. Now here the number of non-zero rows is equal to that of 4. So the answer is rank is equal to 4.